Yeah, it's definitely gotten stronger since we went outside, dude.
Here's Colin in Fort Republic. Colin, you're on New Jersey 101.5. How you doing? Doing okay. Just holding it down. And we're doing the best that we can to hold it down.
And the good thing is you're the only show out there right now. Scanning all the radio stations, there's nothing out there. You can listen to 5 million people.
This is not my smartest idea, but I want to walk around and just kind of see how it's starting to turn out. It's almost midnight now, and we've been getting a lot of tornado warnings. Not for this direct area, but there was one around Atlantic City. There was one around Six Flags, The Great Adventure. This pretty much has like a coating of water on it. I don't know if you could see some steps I'm taking. I'm just curious to see the park. Oh, my socks just got soaked. But it's not that bad. It's just the sky looks very strange. There's like a green tint to the sky. Oh yeah, yeah, the parking lot's flooded, isn't it? Yeah, it is. But yeah, there's been probably about 5 tornadoes that I've heard. And now the wind's picking up. That's what. There's one other person out here. I'm kind of shocked. Yeah, pretty much the street is under about ankle deep water. The rain's kind of steady. It's not that windy. Actually, it is just the way the buildings are. I guess it's just hard for the wind to get to the houses. But if you look at the trees up there, I don't know how well you could see them with the camera, but if you look at those trees, it's actually kind of windy. There's a few branches that already fell. Not anything big. Actually, no, there's something big over there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I hope that didn't damage any cars. That's a big branch. Looks like it's actually a whole tree. Damn. It's one of those things that makes me wonder, why am I outside right now? But there's nothing to do inside. I mean, for some reason we still have power. The thing is, all I really want to do, I'm excited by this storm. I want to watch this storm. It's supposed to be getting worse in like 2 hours. But everyone else just kind of wants to go to sleep because they don't want to like plug anything in and they're just bored. So let's just go to sleep or something. Just my feet are now completely soaked. But honestly, we've had worse so far. I mean, it might get worse, but as of how it is so far, oh, there's a little cat running around out here. That's fucking terrible. Anyway, like I was saying, how it is so far isn't that bad compared to regular non-hurricane storms that we've had within the past month. For a hurricane, I mean, I'm not saying this storm is nothing. It's kind of a lot of water, and in other areas such as Neptune, where my parents live, like, they've got really bad flooding. The highway is closed, the parkway is closed, both ways. There's no power, transformers are exploding. I just don't understand how none of that is happening in this very spot, because there's even tornado warnings and stuff for my town, but not in this direct area. Like a mile down, there's tornado warnings. So I don't understand how the hell this is happening. Anyway, I guess I'll buy a Red Bull, because Quick Check appears to be open. So a little bit of wind picking up at least. So what the guy working at Quick Check was saying was that they're not allowed to close unless the National Guard comes and tells them that they have to. That's kind of insane. I was told Seaside Heights, the casino pier or whatever, the arcade there was actually a fire, and according to a police scanner, people were looting where the fire was. So maybe it is the end of the world, who knows. Looks like we have some down branches over here. Let's check these out. That is a lot of down tree branches. I don't know how well you could see it, considering the darkness and the quality of my camera. Very impressed that that's not in the middle of the road or anything, unless someone happens to move it. Kinda sounds like the wind's picking up, so I'm going to go ahead and head back to my apartment now. Considering the time, I'm just going to stop it for now once I get back to the apartment. If anything interesting happens, I'll turn the camera back on again to keep everyone informed. Now it just got very eerily quiet. It's not even raining at all. That's weird. I'm not lying in saying that I'm a little bit paranoid by that. You could look at the water. You could look at the reflection in the water. There's not one drop of rain right now. And the crickets started up. I took an hour-long nap. This is all that's really happening. It's getting windier.